This video serves as a tutorial to assist Euclid Public Library patrons with utilizing tutor.com. First, you'll visit euclidlibrary.org. Then you'll hover over Youth Services and click on Online Tutoring. This will take you to our tutor.com page. It'll include information about our hours of tutor.com service, as well as the type of support they offer, and some additional information about library cards. You must have a Euclid Public Library card in order to participate in tutor.com, and our cards begin with 10005, 10006, and 28079. Library cards that begin with any other numbers are not Euclid Public Library cards and will not be able to access Euclid Public Library subscription to tutor.com. To get started, click on the tutor.com graphic. At this point, you'll be asked to enter your library card number. Once you've signed in, you can connect with a tutor, but in order to connect with a tutor via microphone, you will need to create an account or sign into your account. Once you are signed in, you can connect with a tutor and you'll get the option for chat and voice. This is especially helpful for younger students who don't have typing skills or cannot type at all. This is also helpful for parents who don't have the time to sit with their child while they're being tutored. You will choose your topic, you will choose your subject and your grade, and then you can do chat and voice to connect with the tutor. If you'd like to attach a file, which could be the homework page that your child is working on, you can upload a file here. JPEGs do work, but they can be blurry sometimes. So if you can convert to a PDF using your phone, that's even better, and you can connect with a tutor that way. If you have any questions, please call the Children's Desk at 216-261-5300 and press number 4.